Hi everyone. Okay, so LaLa Crafts, the monthly subscription came in again. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like the last two I just barely did yesterday. Our months are just flying on by, aren't they? Because I'm shocked. When I got it in, I was shocked because I'm like, wait a minute, didn't I just unbox one? So, kind of weird. Really, actually kind of weird. And this is the August Kit of the Month Club. And, oh gosh, it's Aviator Marcy. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Okay, we gotta see. And then you get the dies. So I'll show you the whole kit and caboodle we get. But, oh my gosh, look at the airplane. Oh, look at the little, this goes on the end, you know, the whole love banner. Oh, how cute is that? Oh gosh. Okay, so look at it. This is what you get. Oh my goodness, she is so adorable. And then look at her fellows. Oh, he's got the, let me get my tool here. He's got the little flags, you know, that you get at the airport. The little takeoff. And then her little co-pilots, they got their little aviator glasses on. How cute. And then that's the airplane. Vintage plane. And the banners that you can hold, or you can do the heart trail. Isn't that the cutest, you guys? And I pay $50. It retails for $78.99. But I pay $49.99, I think, something like that. I pay 50 bucks is what I rounded up to. It's just easier. And then remember, these are your monthly sheets. You take off. You have to cut them. It's red rubber, so you just cut them yourself. Take out everything. As long as you don't cut on the line, you can cut as close as you want. Just don't hit the line. And these are your mats. So they actually hold your stamps. So pretty cool. All right, guys, take care. We'll see y'all next month, or maybe next week, or maybe tomorrow. Bye, guys.